Name, image, and likeness policies are in full swing here on High Point University's campus. I spoke to Drew Sanchez, Ashley Jones, and Sarah Dyson to learn more about how they're navigating these uncharted territories.
High Point University says they're committed to making NIL successful on campus. Deputy Athletic Director Drew Sanchez says that his main job is to help make sure student athletes are compliant.
From my standpoint, my job is just to kind of make sure student athletes know the rules, and then when they're disclosing NIL opportunities that they're doing, just to make sure that, hey, everything they're doing is correct. Any type of, it's not some entity that we don't want them doing NIL with, those sorts of things. But a lot of it is done through Influencer app, and mostly I'm just kind of going in, making sure that they're disclosing it, and then if they have questions with NIL opportunities or contracts, those types of things, from that standpoint, it's going in and advising them, answering any questions they may have, those types of things.
Ashley Jones, a member of the HPU women's cross country and track and field team, says that NIL has given athletes the chance to invest in products and companies that they appreciate and rely on. Sarah Dyson, the director of athletic communications, says that the Influencer app has been a tremendous help.
They have a feature called the local exchange. So ours is called the High Point Exchange. And so with that, basically student athletes can go and they can find businesses that have signed up for our local exchange for High Point specifically, and they can start making NIL deals through the app. So it's been a huge help. It helps student athletes, figure out their taxes at the, during tax season, but it's been an awesome resource for our department.
For Q Sports, I'm Megan Hovey.